Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Rosie Pinoy. Guys, revisit tayo sa aking mga chukis. Hello Chuk Chuk. How is no, you're not going out. No, you're not going out, huh? No, you're not going out. Malabas sila pagka ako talaga pumasok dito. No, you're not supposed to go out. You go out the other side. Let's go over here. Oh, how's everyone? How's Chuk Chuk? You good? Okay, you out this way. This one is new, guys. Okay, let's go over here. Everyone, over here. Okay, there's your food over here. See that? It's your food. Keep on following, guys. Keep on following me. I'm here to get some eggs. Have you got eggs for me? Huh? You got eggs for me? I'm gonna get some eggs. I got some eggs for me? Yeah? See if they got eggs. Why I got only one? It's too early. Wala kong isang itlog dito, guys. Itlog. Why is only one? There's 6 of you here. Why I only got 1 egg? Oh, the other side, maybe it's on the other side. No. Okay, I'll come back later. Okay. I'll come back later. I'll come back later. I'll check this 1 egg. We got 1. Maaga pa eh. At least sila nakakabigay sila ng itlog of every day. 3 eggs every day. Meron ako. 6 lang po sila, guys. 6 chooks. Dati 4 lang yon. Tapos nakabili pa ako ng 2 kaya naging 6 sila. Yan, 6 na sila. You keep on following me. Yeah. No. Okay, over here. No, this egg is mine. No, this is not yours. Come here. Come here. Meron sa likod ko. Nagtutok-tok sa likod ko. Yeah? Why me? Why are you eating? You got your food over there. Come on. No. I got no food. Got food over there in the container. Tama-tama lang po sa amin, guys, yung 6 na chooks na 6 na chicken. Kasi at least we got 3 eggs every day. At least every day. Meron akong 3 itlog every day. Why are you biting me? Huh? Why are you biting me? Why? Nakakaliw lang silang panuurin. No. I'm out of here. I got 1 egg already. Bye-bye, Chucky. I'll come back later for another 2 eggs, okay? Bye-bye, Chucky.